And that's exactly how my client got hacked. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how one of my clients had their Microsoft account compromised. They received an email with an order and a link to a document containing further details. The link led to a file sharing service called WeTransfer. Nothing dangerous so far. That's why the email wasn't recognized as spam. However, when downloading, an HTML file was offered. HTML is the language used to build websites. And this is exactly where the alarm bells should have started ringing. Nobody normally shares HTML files. In this case, the HTML file is a fake OneDrive page. For those who don't know, OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service. The dangerous thing about it, the page was completely fake. No matter where you click, a login window appears asking for your Microsoft password. And if you enter your password there, it goes straight to the attackers. And that's exactly how my client got hacked. He entered his password into the fake form, giving the attackers access to his Microsoft 365 account. Everything. His OneDrive pictures, his email account, his SharePoint data from the company, everything. Be careful and share the video so others are warned too. Bye.